In this video, I will test the most accurate money machine indicator strategy created by FX Accurate US to see if it really makes money. I will backtest it 100 times with an initial account size set at $100 with 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. I know a lot of you guys been asking about this backtesting service I'm using. It's called Trader Edge and they're running a special offer right now for only the next 100 people to sign up for their 7-day free trial. First off, if you're not entirely sure how to backtest strategies, they got that covered with an extensive step-by-step backtesting plan which is $98 value, and now you'll get it for free. They're giving away a full step-by-step $270 value course on how to build a profitable trading strategy. If you're not sure how to find good indicators, Trader Edge has got a built-in library of indicators where they backtested and ranked each one. Best of all, you'll also save time since Trader Edge is way faster than a traditional backtesting method. So that's over $360 added value entirely for free for the next 100 people that sign up. Don't miss out, click the link in the description below. Okay, I'm going to do my backtesting on a Bitcoin USD 5-minute time frame, and this strategy consists of 2 indicators. The first indicator is called MACD VXI. This one right here. And the second indicator is called the Money Machine. This one by Raphael Zioni. Okay, now we need to slightly adjust these indicators. So let's first double click on this Money Machine and remove these short and long signals. Now let's make this MACD histogram a bit more visible. Okay, now our strategy is ready. Let's get into our trading rules. Okay, so the rules for entering a short trade are simple. We first need to have a new sell signal issued by the Money Machine indicator, and the second condition will be to have this MACD red line above 0. And once we have these conditions met, we're going to go ahead and place a sell order. We will set our stop loss at the recent highest price, and the profit target for this strategy will be 2 times the risk. Okay, we see this trade turned out to be successful. Exactly opposite is true for long entries. We first need to have a new buy signal issued by the Money Machine indicator, and the MACD red line has to be below 0. We see we just got our rules met, and this is going to be our trigger candlestick. So we will place a buy order at the close of this candlestick, and we will set our stop loss at the recent lowest price. And just like with the short trades, we will be targeting 2 times the risk. Okay, let me now give you a couple more examples. So here we see we've got a valid short entry, all our conditions are met. And our first trade turned out to be profitable. Okay, here we see we've got another valid short entry, but we cannot enter the trade yet because the candlestick has to be bearish. Okay, this is where we can enter a short position. And we see the second trade turns out to be successful as well. Okay, this is where we had a long signal, and now we're waiting for a bullish candlestick. And we see the price easily reaches our take profit target. This long entry is also confirmed. And we see this strategy has been working really well so far. We also had a valid short entry. Okay, it looks like we got our take profit target hit. Okay, now we know exactly how to trade with this strategy, so let's actually do our backtesting and see how well it performs in different market conditions. Alright, so after 100 tests we see the results are quite disappointing. Our win rate is only 38% and we increased our account size by 26.85%. We see for the first 50 trades we wasn't making any money, and we can also tell that the drawdowns are quite serious. The profit factor for the strategy is only 1.23 and we had 5 consecutive wins against 7 consecutive losses. And the reason we had such bad results is because this is a reversal strategy. I mean, you can see for yourself that this strategy is created to catch tops and bottoms. So let me actually try to improve this strategy. So first, let's remove this money machine indicator and add another 2 indicators to our chart. So for the first indicator, we will search for SSL hybrid. And for the second indicator, we will pick a regular volume. Okay, now we need to adjust these indicators. So let's first double click on this SSL hybrid. And in the style section, let's remove everything that is unnecessary. Also, we're going to change the inputs. Now let's double click on this volume indicator and add a moving average to it. And now let's make some slight adjustments to our MACD indicator. Okay, now the strategy is complete. Let's get into our trading rules. Okay, so we're only going to be looking to sell if the price is sitting below the SSL hybrid line and the line is colored in red. The MACD indicator has to issue a new bearish signal so that the red line has to cross below the blue line. And we also need to have sufficient bearish volume in the market. So this volume histogram has to be colored in red and it has to be above this moving average. So now we will go ahead and place a sell order. We will set our stop loss at the recent swing high. And we will be targeting 2 times the risk. Exactly opposite is true for long trades, so we're only going to be looking to buy if the price is sitting above the SSL hybrid line and the line is colored in blue. We also need to have a new bullish MACD cross so that the blue line crosses below the red line. This is also confirmed by the change in the background. And finally, this volume histogram has to be colored in green and it has to be above the moving average. Okay, now we know the rules, so let's do another backtesting and see if the strategy is any better. Okay, so I just finished my second backtesting and as we can see the results are way better. Our win rate is 52% and we increased our account size by 191.46%. This win rate is absolutely great for such a risk-reward ratio. The profit factor for this strategy is 2.17 and we had 4 consecutive wins against 5 consecutive losses. I'm not saying this strategy is perfect, but it's way better than the previous one, and this is mainly because we were not going against the trend. Okay traders, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, it really helps with the channel. And also if you want to see more strategies like this in the future, then feel free to subscribe to Trade IQ.